Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. Today I will tell you English spelling rule number 6, which is very interesting. Do you know sometimes we use THE as the. Its spelling is same but its pronunciation is different. Sometimes we use the and sometimes we use the. Today I will tell you the difference between both of them. We can say the or we can say the. Either way we say it spell THE. We can say the or we can say the. Either way we say it spell THE. मीन्स को स्पेल THE ही किया जाता है बट इसको प्रोनाउंस टू वेज में किया जाता है दी और द. इट वेरी ऑन इट्स सिचुएशन वेयर वी यूज़ दी एंड वेयर वी यूज़ द. When words start with A, E, I or U or vowels, then we pronounce it the, THE, the. When the word is start with A, E, O, A, then we pronounce it the. For example, the ant, the elephant, the inkpot, the octopus, the umbrella. A, E, I, O, U, these all are vowels, that's why we pronounce it the. But when words start with consonant, then we pronounce it as the, THE, the. जब भी कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होगा तो हम उसके साथ द लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द चेयर, द बुक, द डोर, द टेबल. C, B, D, T, these all are consonants, that's why we pronounce THE as the. I hope all of you understand this difference. If you like my videos, kindly like and subscribe it. Thank you.